you're wondering whether or not to offer styling to your vendors, in this video I'm going to talk to you about 3 ways that styling actually can help you grow your agency that you might not have thought of. Hi, I'm Sam Ashdown from Firewave, and in this video I want to talk to you about styling because I think styling is a really underrated service that we offer our clients, and I think that if you look at it the right way, it can actually help you grow your estate agency. And here's how. So firstly, it helps the person who's doing the styling, and by styling I mean getting the house ready for photography. It helps the person that's doing the styling understand the house better. So we always send 2 members of our team in order to do the styling. It normally takes about 4 or 5 hours to do a big house, maybe 2 or 3 hours to do a small house. And in that time, our 2 stylists are there understanding everything the house has got to offer and really learning about it. So there might be a little cupboard in the corner and they'll learn what a spice cupboard is and what it means and what it dates from. Or it might be that they've got plenty of opportunity to look at the view and how the house connects with the landscape. Or it might be that they're talking to the vendor about all the ways that they use the house at Christmas and at special occasions. Where to put the Christmas tree is a really good question. Those are all things that we can do when we've got time in the house to understand the house. Isn't that better than turning up 5 minutes for a viewing to learn about the house then? I think so. And number 2 is the vendor relationship, and this is the one that I think is the key. So with 2 stylists from Ashdown Jones in the house that have only just met that client probably for the first time, so Phil and I have gone out on the ball, and then these 2 people, maybe Hannah and Edward, go out on the styling shoot, they've got plenty of opportunity to really make a connection with that vendor and to really deepen the relationship. Now, Phil and I, our best use of our time is in valuations, either creating them or doing them. It's not the best use of our time to do the styling shoot, to get the brochure ready, to do the viewings and the negotiation. That's not the best use of our time. So we make sure that when we hand over to our delivery team, we do it in a really sensitive way, so that people know that we're handing over to experts. And what better way to show that they are experts than them being there in the styling shoot? That's where they're really going to connect with that vendor, deepen that relationship, find out all about them, their children, their pets, their holidays, their interests and everything. Because when you're in somebody's house, it's easy to ask those questions. So it's a really, really good opportunity for vendor connection. So don't send your vendor out the house when you're styling for the shoot. You're missing an opportunity. And of course, the last one is the house looks better and therefore you're going to get results. You're going to get more sales, you're going to get better buyers, you're going to get referrals more easily, and people are going to notice your houses for all the right reasons. In fact, I had a vendor of a £5 million house say to me only yesterday, Ashdown Jones goes above and beyond to get those photographs right. And I thought, well, he's got a £5 million house. That's exactly how I want him to think. And that's what all this time on the styling shoot does. Now, these kind of things we teach our Firewave members. So Firewave isn't just about content letters, it's about so much more than that. Styling is a really important part of what we do at Ashdown Jones, and therefore our member clients deserve to know about those and understand how they work. So if you want to know how to become a client of ours at Firewave and to join the Firewave family, just go to fire-wave.co.uk/start, and what you'll find there is information about Firewave, what we do and what we can do for you, and also an application button so you can pop in your details and we can tell you straight away whether your area is available. At the moment you've got about 50-50 chance of the area being available because we've sold about 50% of the areas in the UK. So if you'd like to find out if your area is available, just go there. It doesn't commit you to anything. We'll invite you to have a little chat with us to find out if you're a good fit for us and if we're a good fit for you. And if we are, fantastic. And we can welcome you properly to the Firewave family. Bye for now.